Hello viewers, today I will create a directory submission backlink for my website. So don't skip the video because you can also take unlimited directory backlink for your website and the website is totally free. So don't forget to subscribe my channel to get new video. Let's go. At first I am copy the website URL. And I am enter the website. After enter the website, you can see like this interface. The website name is Fruity Directory. For create backlink, at first you have to need select your website category. I am select my website category and now select the subcategory. Okay, I am select my website category and subcategory. After select category, you have to click on submit link. After click on submit link, you can see like this form to create backlink. To create backlink, you have to need your website title. I am give my website name as my website title. Now I am copy my website URL and post here. Now I am copy my website description and paste here. Now I give my name and I have to give a valid email address, or I recommend you give your website email address. This link no need. Take this box blank and click on I am not a robot. Then click on continue. Now you can see link submitted and waiting approval. Submit another link, but the link is instant approved. For check, click on recent link and you can see here the website is created. So like this way you can create many backlinks from this website. Thanks for watching the video.